Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a glowy winter makeup tutorial. I'm showing you guys how I do my makeup when it's winter. I'm trying to keep my skin from drying up, especially during the winter because it's bad. I wish it was a consistent sunlight.
And the sun is going in and out and I can't deal.
I'm gonna just do the tutorial because I cannot deal with the sun going in and out. There's a lot of clouds going on right now and I'm just trying to like hurry up and do this video and get it out for you guys, because once I don't like the quality, I don't even post. As you guys can see, I had difficulty trying to film this video. I had to keep starting over. The lighting kept going in and out, so I had to keep repositioning the camera, which was annoying. Okay, so moving on to the video. I am using the Laneige Blur Perfector, and it usually helps to cover up some of my open pores. Then I'm going in with the C Firma by Drunk Elephant, and this helps to keep my face firm. Then I'm going in with the Virgin Marula Luxury Facial Oil by Drunk Elephant. And I like this oil because it's super lightweight and it doesn't leave your face feeling oily even though it's an oil. And then I'm applying my Fresh Sugar Caramel Lip Balm. I put this on before I apply my makeup all the time now. Now that I've applied my base, I am going in with my NARS Creamy Concealer. And I'm using this concealer because it is very radiant. If you're going for a super glowy look, you want a concealer or a foundation that is going to keep you glowing and looking radiant and just healthy. So first I went in with a shade that is lighter than my complexion to kind of brighten and give me sort of a highlight, and then I went in with a shade that is about my complexion, almost close to, so that I can keep it a little natural. And I'm apologizing for the next few clips, or basically the end of this video. The lighting isn't the best, but I had to work with what I had. And then, like always, I'm going in with my Fenty Matchstick in the color Espresso, or the shade Espresso. I always say color, I don't know why, but in the shade Espresso. Okay, so I made one huge mistake that kind of cost me the whole video, and that was adding the Fenty setting powder in Banana. And I say this because if you're going for a glowy look, you should use a powder that is not going to make you look matte, because the whole point of this video was for me to be glowy. And although I did get my glowy results, I wish I used the Laura Mercier setting powder. That powder is more for anyone who is going for a glowy look, because it doesn't necessarily set your face to be matte, but it sets your face in place, if you guys understand what I'm saying. But all in all, if I had used the Laura Mercier, I would have gotten the results that I was looking for. But all in all, I still got a very glowy look, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.